Hi fashionistas, welcome back to Freestyle Moda. For today's video, I wanted to do a chill get ready with me video. I'm featuring some new products I recently acquired, including the Pixie and Weylie Hoang collaboration palette. So if you want to spend some girl time with me, then keep on watching. As usual, I'm starting off with a freshly cleansed and moisturized face. I decided to try this Cover FX primer due to its mattifying and acne fighting features, and I ended up liking it a lot. It left my skin feeling cool and soft to the touch. And yes ladies, I finally got my hands on the Fenty Beauty foundation. I ended up finding my perfect match. I really love how it left my skin looking beautiful and naturally flawless. As for my brows, nothing much has changed here. I'm still using my trusty e.l.f. Lock-On Liner Cream, but now I'm also getting around to concealing right after so that my eyebrows look smoother as well. I wanted to give this technique of concealing my lids rather than priming my lids a try. I learned this method from Melissa Ashley and I noticed that it does work wonders because it left my eyelids crease free. In addition, I still bake my under eyes to try to get those areas popping, and I continue to conceal these areas as well in order to get my T-zone to look as snatched as possible. Same old same. Setting off my face with powder has also become an essential part of my routine, so that my face does not become too oily throughout the day. Now moving on to Weylie's palette, I chose to use Sista as my transition color because it is the closest shade to my skin color and I figured it would be the perfect transitional shade. As for girl, I applied it with my fingers just like Weylie recommended and it really warmed up nicely on my eyelids this way. Then I used balm on the outer lids of my eyes to create a central smoky eye effect. I also wanted to use Itty Bitty, but here's where things went wrong. Unfortunately, this eyeshadow should not be sprayed on, so guys, do not do this at home, or else you will have the same mess that I had here that I ended up having to clean up with this color in a frantic manner. Now moving on to the pencil that came with the kit, it didn't make my eyes water as much, so I give it a decent A-. I also added fake lashes and did my signature wing eyeliner with the felt tip of this pencil, and it turned out pretty darn good. Of course, later on I bronzed my face as well, since nowadays I can't go without doing this. And then this highlighter came through. I finally got to use Killawatt by Fenty Beauty and I loved it. I mean, take a look at its beautiful shine. Then I went for some rosy cheeks to give it a nice sweet look. I lined my lips with Cork by MAC. And on top, I added this HUDA Beauty matte lipstick that I loved so much because it smells so good. It has this chocolate scent that is irresistible. And voila! Lista para ir a la calle. Ready to go out and have fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nice yet simple look. I really had a fun time recording this for you guys and I ended up loving the final result. I felt sexy, grown, and can you tell that I'm loving these braids right now? They were my 25th birthday present to myself and I can't get enough of them right now. They really give me seductive Cleopatra Nefertiti queen type of vibes that I love, and I'm really here for them right now. Once again, I want to give big props to my girl Weylie for her new palette. You did an awesome job, girl. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!